So you trained an AI sales agent. It writes perfect cold emails, it finds leads, it's supposed to be your outbound monster, but no one's replying. Or worse, nothing is even getting delivered. What if I told you the problem isn't AI, it's the infrastructure? And yeah, it's the part that no one talks about, but it's one of the most important parts of being successful with cold email. So today, I'll show you how to actually set up cold email infrastructure for AI SDRs that works at scale. We're talking warm-ups, domains, APIs, deliverability, everything. And I'll share the exact tools you want to use to make this as easy as possible. But first, let's talk about what's actually wrong. You feed your AI a lead list and a copy prompt. It sends the email, but it either goes to spam or bounces. Why? Because email is not just plug and play. If you're not setting up your domain properly, if you're not warming up your mailboxes, if you're not rotating senders, it doesn't matter how good your message is. No one will see it. AI works with the tools you give it, and trash infrastructure means that no matter how great your message or lead list is, you won't get great results. So let's break down what makes up great infrastructure. First, domain setup. You can't just send from your main domain. You need burner domains, at least 10 to start. Likely more if you're sending higher volume. Why? Because you want to rotate between them. And this way you divide the risk and load between the domains. This way you do not exhaust one singular domain. This is what real outbound teams do. And yes, your AI agents need the same setup. It's not human, but the email providers don't know that. They just see a sender. And you can use automations to quickly set up domains with tools like PrimeForge or InfraForge. They even have API access. Next, warm up. You can't send 100 emails on day one. Even with AI, the domain needs to build reputation. Most AI agents have warm up built in, but if yours hasn't, you can use tools like WarmForge. It connects to your mailboxes and warms them up. You can even do placement tests to see how well your mailboxes perform, all via API if needed. No manual work. Just see clean, automated infra reputation builder. Okay, it's time to talk about scale. If you want to send thousands of emails per day, you need a way to spin up new mailboxes fast. That's what InfraForge and PrimeForge make possible. Think of them like the backend of your AI sales army. You're not duct taping solutions, you're forging a robot. You access InfraForge or PrimeForge via API. Purchase new secondary domains that redirect to your primary domain. You get extra IPs, Google Workspace account, Outlook mailboxes, everything ready for cold email for pennies on the dollar. In one simple swoop, you have 3 different providers and private infrastructure that you're fully in control of. This is how you scale programmatically and reliably. Now, if you're interested in the difference between InfraForge and PrimeForge, I suggest you take a peep here. And if you have any questions, please let me know down below. Otherwise, it was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.